Hello everyone, it's me, Jeffrey. I've got a little bit of a cough today that I've had for a while. I think in my past videos it's happened as well, but I if that happens, I apologize. Just spent some time on the trampoline. Had a phone call with one of my good friends, who I haven't talked to in a while. And now I'm headed back into home. I need to figure out what I want to eat because I haven't eaten today. And yeah, I hope you had a good Valentine's Day. I was very thirsty. I hope you had a good Valentine's Day. Excuse me, this is gonna be gross. It's been happening to me so much in the past couple of days. I hate it. I hope you feel very loved. Turned off the heat too because it's fine for me outside. I'm just kind of chillaxing. I was up till about 11 last night. So I slept in today, and then I just stayed in bed and just puddled around on my laptop. Piddled around is what I meant to say, not puddled. So that was fun. But yeah, tomorrow I'm hanging out with my good buddy Jonathan. We're gonna go out and do things, whatever those things might be. Then I got a week of school. And then Friday after my classes, I'm gonna drive to Kentucky because I want to help my mom with some stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah. I think even though these past couple weeks have been really hard on me, I think the hardest thing has been the eating. I haven't really had any food to eat. No, I mean, like, I can order groceries. Like, I can order groceries and I can eat those. It's not that I don't have the capability to do that, but it's that I'm gonna burp, so excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's that I just have had no appetite, and because I've had no appetite, I haven't been eating, and unfortunately when I don't eat, my brain chemicals all get messed up and it's harder for me to do things, so I have to force myself to eat. And what I've been doing, and I've been doing pretty good about it, what I've been doing is I've been making myself meals even if I haven't been eating all of the meal. I've just been making myself a meal about as much as I would normally eat, and then I do that. I gotta scratch my back. There we go. So I want my appetite back, but I'm also losing weight. But I'm not going to the gym. The gym starts with me on Monday. I've got my good old daily schedule, like my rough daily schedule planned out. Not to the hour, like the only time I have a definite wake up time. And that is good for me. Finished the 3 Lord of the Rings movies. I think I'd mentioned in another vlog that I've been watching them again. Finished them. They were as wonderful as always. I started Fellowship again last night just to turn on background noise. But I don't know if I'm going to actually sit down and watch Fellowship again. And I know I'm going to be watching a lot of classic movies with my mom when I go up to Kentucky, so I don't need to sit down and watch any of those. So I'm just wondering what I should be sitting down to watch. guess I could do the Halloween movies, I didn't get to go through all the Halloween movies last October. I just watched Halloween and Halloween 2, but I could get through all the Halloween movies. That'd be fun. I almost literally asked, how are you? And I do want to know how you are. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you are. Or if you have my, any way to message me, let me know. Because I'm curious, I don't know. Really, YouTube doesn't show me who watches these videos. So, I'd like to know if you're watching, whoever you are. I think my current conundrum right now is that for Valentine's Day, I was given a $100 Amazon gift card by my parents, which is an extraordinary gift. It's an extraordinary, very, very nice gift. Very, very benevolent of them to give me that. But I don't really know what I want from Amazon. I have loads of things on my wish list, but it's just like, do I want to actually get those things, or do I want to wait, or whatever? But what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to go to the books list of mine and get a bunch of used books, because you can get used books really inexpensively from Amazon. So there's that. Yeah, I don't know what else. My Valentine's Day vlog from 2018 is actually probably my personal favorite vlog, because everyone in that vlog is so happy. It makes me really happy. But yeah, I will definitely talk to you later. I just got off the trampoline, so I'm tired and cold, and I need to eat something, and I don't know what I'm going to eat. So that's a conundrum, but one that is easily solved. I just need to know. I need to decide on what I'm going to do. Probably going to order a bunch of groceries. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate the time you've given me, and I hope that it was worth your while. Alrighty, love ya. Bye.